Hello, my name is Hia Banerjee, and I will be singing A Brown Bird Singing by Haydn Wood.